I have no clue where I'm going because my vision is blurred.
Big old Power Ranger.
Yeah.
Honey, cái hotel.
Yes.
Nè. Mấy gì gì vừa có tới giờ được bọn đâu.
Cái nó đang là mình có phương khe.
Ừ.
Nó được luôn à. Mua luôn.
Còn đi là con nó hotel. 아니 이거를 가져오는 게 예쁘냐?
Coco, which Coco?
No, come here right now.
Which Coco?
No, you're gonna learn today.
Oh, dude.
Pedazo.
You see, you happy you're here?
Đây nó nữa.
Còn bao nhiêu con chỉ cần sửa sao? I call eating first.
Đây khắp rồi sao?
nó muốn một chừng nữa rồi nó cái tay rồi chưa kịp kìa nó không có hết rồi thoát khỏi cái bé có một tốt thế à chạy một có bông hồng nào ôi trời ơi giờ lên này ta thấy có nó trôi không có này rồi thầu quá chị phát rồi
Chị xem con nào?
bao nhiêu nè?
nó có cây rồi nó cái 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 chữ email hả đấy
60
Smoking my chip, whoa. I give a die my jet, whoa. I'm about to pop no X, whoa. Then I'm fucking my ex, whoa. And I gotta pull myself, whoa. Not my ex, just red, whoa. And I hit him on dick, whoa. They better keep my check, whoa. Green diamonds.
Nó động một bé đó.
nó đi sửa đen thì gì ai cũng sẽ tìm một đế cơn cậu đi đó bây giờ mà thấy chưa để nó sẽ là tên là chủ một đề là gì áo su dễ ra thì nó cái đường xí đó
This other table. And then that's the grill. This side isn't burning.
You don't gotta be shy. We don't bite.
Jim, Jim, where's the fire starter? There, cherry. There you go. You don't need fire starter. But we need something to like burn.
He's like that dancer.
You don't want to be in the Brian club, no knees.
Oh yeah, dude.
Look at Brian, he's hella tired. He's like, man, I'll take that shit.
He took it right in his knees.
You know the lyrics? Yeah, Brian does. I know.
Oh, yeah! That's too good!
Oh, Tom lit!
We all did. You all did.
I'm a bird. He's gotta go straight. Chắc cái con nát còi. You take your best shot straight. So, you want to chase her?
Can treat you with respect. You don't have to love
Hey, Jim.
This nigga trying to cook a motherfucking a fucking sandwich. This pussy ass nigga burned a fucking sandwich. Why the fuck you ain't eating cold? What the fuck wrong with you? How many days when he spent the night at my house? Like 6. I had to cook this nigga spaghetti and shit because he was hungry.
Are they kids? Yeah. Like, what if you ain't eat your sandwich cold?
Babe, stop him.
Your babe can't even open his eyes.
What do you mean? He's gonna close his eyes the whole time. What meal is that, Josh? What meal is that? That sounds really good. There's like beef stews and beef stroganoff.
I think we put over.
Lasagna.
Can I get the stroganoff and the lasagna?
You are. You are. Hey, shit, how you gonna eat granola in a bag? How you gonna eat granola?
Hey, Anthony,
Straight D.
can you bring me like 2 spoons, please?
Pasha ko tomato.
That's your life.
My marshmallows aren't melted.
Hopefully.
Nah, man.
See someone finish it. Nope.
Oh, thank you.
I could fool this guy. Oh, we saw him off my house. Huh? Watch out.
Y'all ain't got service?
Alright.
Not everybody's
Anything else?
privileged with good
Coffee?
See my container.
come on, Leo. Yeah, I'm
Forgot about it. Share your hand.
Bluetooth disconnected. Bluetooth paired. Bluetooth connected.
Corey, you guys should get some more paper plates.
$1.
Do a thing.
Nah, man.
Did you stir it? Did you stir it? Did you stir it? Oh shit! Come on, bro. That's not it? Oh yeah. Hokage? Yeah. Which you do? Which did you do the most?
That's the USS Jade.
That's the USS Brian.
Yes.
Think about it. Stop
It
when
is
they
a she.
stop it out of frustration, huh?
Oh yeah.
To share, you know, just have to let off, you know.
What? You scream?
Because it's not the chair, so you have to scream.
I didn't hear you screaming.
No, dia tu lah.